Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and we are here with the Gumball machine spreadsheet, and you can hear the quarters. All right, so this past week, I just got back to school, 1875 we did, so plug that in. So I was out, so we're gonna just write some notes. The week of that Monday started the 29th. So I was out with COVID. Today's my first day back. And then I counted the machine. So it goes to show you that even with or without, the person in charge, you still have sales. Nothing happened to the machine. That's also a concern, being that you're out. Maybe it might get stolen. Someone might break it. A lot of things could happen, but everything was fine. Machine was fine. Classroom's neat. Even things that wasn't locked up in like the display that we have, nothing was really taken or anything. So pretty good. It was a good week. 1875. That's like I said, on average, it looks like we do about $20 a week. Some weeks, we have as high as like 35. So update the spreadsheet and then take a look at the profit. So we are still paying off all that candy, $124. So we should see some profit. We'll see, maybe in March. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.